Hello everyone, my name is Lavit Nandula and today we will talk about joint efforts in total quality management, that is TQM. Joint efforts means the involvement of each and every individual that is linked with an organization for the production or the manufacturing of a particular product or a design. Joint effort involves the involvement of the vendor from who supplies the material to the organization, and involvement of the inventory department which is responsible for the inventory or the storekeeping of the materials required for the production of a particular product or a design. Nextly, it involves the involvement of the worker that are indulge in the production or designing of a concept or a design. Nextly, it involves leadership involvement, that is, the leader should be responsible for his action. One must the manager should all know about what is going on in the ground level, so that any shortcomings that is happening in the assembling or manufacturing department can be recognized and eliminated at that very particular point itself. Now, TQM also involves the customer feedback, that is, the feedback is taken from the customer at a regular basis, so that further improvement that are necessary according to customer may be taken into consideration while designing the product or on further enhancing the product. For example, if we consider a software that is responsible for doing any function in a mobile application, then it is firstly launched in a beta version, and it is provided to only a limited customers who test and use the app daily and give feedback to the organization, and further the organization make the changes or the shortcomings which the beta users are facing are eliminated in that particular steps. Hence, joint effort in TQM can be explained as I have talked in this video. Thank you.